Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show how you can block the storage account, external storage account from your Office 365 mailboxes. So in Office 365 mailboxes in attachment, you can add a third-party storage account like Google Drive, Box or Dropbox. So all these things are third-party. So this could be a security risk to attach those third party storage accounts to your Office 365 email mailboxes. So there is a way that an administrator can block those storage account using PowerShell command. So to block those settings, first you need to connect to Exchange Online PowerShell. So in my previous video, I've been shown how you can connect on Exchange Online. So please just connect Exchange Online command, and it will ask for your admin credentials. So I'm just connect. So once you connect, you need to run these three commands in order to block those external settings. So first command is to see your mailbox policies. So every Office 365 tenant has a default online mailbox policies. So first we need to check the policy name. So if you run this command, then it will be show what is the mailbox policy. It is OWA Mailbox Policy default. So this one is the policy name. So we need to copy this. Okay. And then in the second command, it said mailbox policies. Then we identify our mailbox policies in here. Just paste the policy name and add this additional storage provider available to false. So currently it is on a true state. You need to make it false. So this command will block these settings. So you need to run this one. So once you run it, you can verify the command by using the third one. So I'm just running the third command. So it says yes, OWA mailbox policy is default. So it's been set. So now it might take 15 to 30 minutes to reflect it on my tenant. So let's just maybe refresh or take it some time to see if it is working or not. It's still showing, so it might take some time. I may need to sign out and sign again. So let's just wait for some times and then again come again. So after almost 30 minutes later, now you can check in attachment. There is no third party or any additional external storage account that is shown in here. So this already applied to all my users. So if you see that if you run this, both the policy is false. So in my case, I also run the both policies to false. So now you see my storage account is gone. So that's where you can block those settings. I think that it is essential for any organization to block this third party application. It will be helpful to secure your Office 365 portal. So that's it for today. Thank you.